Hello, and welcome to our comprehensive analysis of Alibaba Group Holding Limited, commonly known by its stock ticker, BABA. In this video, we'll delve into various aspects of the company, including its current stock performance, key financial ratios, technical indicators, recent earnings, industry standing, analyst opinions, and significant news events. Let's get started. 1. Current stock price, recent performance trends, and historical comparison. As of January 29, 2025, Alibaba's stock is trading at $96.03, reflecting a 6.71% increase from the previous close. Over the past 12 months, the stock has seen a low of $68.36 and a high of $117.82. Currently, it is trading in the middle of this range, indicating moderate volatility. Finance.yahoo.com. 2. Key financial ratios and what they indicate about the company's financial health. Let's examine some of Alibaba's key financial ratios. Price to earnings, P/E ratio. The trailing 12 months TTM P/E ratio is 19.45. Stockanalysis.com forward P/E ratio. The forward P/E ratio stands at 10.59, suggesting expectations of increased earnings in the future. Stockanalysis.com. 3. Price to free cash flow. This ratio is not directly available from the provided sources. Earnings per share, EPS, growth this year. Alibaba reported an EPS of $2.068 in its last earnings report, beating expectations of $2.035. TipRanks.com return on equity, ROE. The ROE is 9.05%, indicating how effectively the company is using equity to generate profit. TipRanks.com. 6. Return on investment, ROI. Specific ROI data is not available in the provided sources. Current ratio. The company has a current ratio of 1.37, suggesting it has a good liquidity position to cover short-term obligations. MarketBeat.com net profit margin. Alibaba's net profit margin is 8.98%, reflecting the percentage of revenue that translates into profit. MarketBeat.com debt-to-equity ratio. The debt-to-equity ratio is 0.16, indicating a conservative approach to leverage. MarketBeat.com. These ratios suggest that Alibaba maintains a solid financial position with effective profitability and prudent debt management. 3. Support and resistance prices of the stock and how current indicators may drive the direction of the stock. Technical analysis indicates that Alibaba has recently broken a resistance level in the short term, providing a positive signal for its trading range. Investtech.com. The next resistance level is identified at $100, which previously halted a minor correction in November. TradingView.com. If the stock surpasses this level, it could signal further bullish momentum. 4. 20-day SMA, 50-day SMA, 200-day SMA of the stock and how current indicators may drive the direction of the stock. As of January 28, 2025, Alibaba's moving averages are as follows. 1. 20-day SMA, $84.11. 2. 50-day SMA, $85.55. 3. 200-day SMA, $88.35. The current stock price of $96.03 is above all these moving averages, indicating a bullish trend. MarketBeat.com. 5. Recent earnings reports, revenue growth or decline, and net income trends over the past few quarters. In its latest earnings report on November 15, 2024, Alibaba reported earnings per share, EPS, of $2.079, surpassing the consensus estimate of $2.046. However, the company's revenue of $236.50 billion was slightly below analyst expectations of $239.45 billion. Despite the revenue miss, the company achieved a net profit margin of 8.98%. MarketBeat.com. 6. Industry comparison. To determine the company's standing relative to its peers within the e-commerce sector, Alibaba faces competition from companies like JD.com and PDD Holdings. While Alibaba's recent revenue growth was 5.2%, JD.com reported a modest revenue increase of 1.2% in the same period. Alibaba's diversified business model, including ventures into cloud computing and digital media, positions it favorably against its peers. Investors.com. 7. current analyst ratings, target price forecasts, and recent upgrades or downgrades, analysts maintain a favorable outlook on Alibaba. The average 12-month price target is $113, suggesting a potential upside of approximately 17.67% from the current price. The consensus rating is strong buy, with 15 analysts endorsing this view. StockAnalysis.com. 8. Major recent news that could impact stock valuation, such as mergers, acquisitions, or legal issues. Recently, Alibaba unveiled an upgraded version of its artificial intelligence model, Qwen 2.5 Max, which reportedly outperforms other leading AI models in key areas. This development has been well received by investors, contributing to a significant increase in the stock price. StockAnalysis.com. In conclusion, Alibaba demonstrates strong financial health, positive market sentiment, and strategic initiatives that position it well for future growth. However, as with any investment, it's essential to conduct your own research and consider the inherent risks. This analysis is for informational purposes only and should